Hey guys, welcome again to our channel. I am ready for love with Canessa and Jerome.
Yeah.
So today we're here and we have another video for you guys. We're going to do, never have done it before. So we're going to be doing a never have I ever challenge, right? I will not cheat the thing today, right baby? We're talking true.
Yeah.
Yeah. And we're gonna see if Canessa has no secret there. You'll find out. Alright?
What keeps it? Bye. Anyways, thanks to all our long-time subbies for coming back to visit us today. And thank you to all you new people. Hi! Out there in YouTube land.
Welcome.
How are you? Welcome to I Am Ready for Love. Ready to love myself. Ready to love someone else. And ready to teach someone else how to love me. Yeah, so on to the game. Never have I ever laughed so hard. I peed on myself.
I don't know if I have a little bit.
Yes.
It just like oops.
Never.
It wasn't the everything.
Never.
When it's like it's like no, I started the game wrong. There's a little tubes like I feel the same as one guy watch you.
You pee up.
And a long time that.
You
Like,
pee
then
up.
that when they never told.
You pee up.
Anyways. Go on, baby. Go on.
I just wait your time.
Just ask sorry.
Alright, never have I ever easy climbed out of a window. Tell us why.
Me?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm telling that one for time.
Why?
Just curious as I go through the window. Not even deep. Why you go through the window?
Me used to just love experiment and climb up in a things and then something else. So yeah. Me used to me? I can't do nothing about it now. Me used to take out the blade them out the window and go through it just to see if like something happen if me could do it. So me used to like pretend like big old drama queen. So me just pretend like say something happen in the house and me have to kick out the window them to come out and something, and I saw me end up with that scar. There's something where you push the window blade, you know, curve me, slice my foot, and me look at the sauce of white meat, you see?
White meat, white flesh. Anyways, never have I ever stole food from the pot.
Everybody do that.
No, that's not the question.
Everybody do that. Everybody. And if you say they never do it, you lie.
Stop accusing people.
Everybody do it.
You're
Everybody teeth me down the pot. Never have I ever snooped through someone's stuff.
By snoop through mean search and
Yes. Going on in something but dig up.
Me because
Whether phone or them things.
I had reason to, so I had to.
Am I something never dig up, you know?
Babe, answer the question, you know.
No, you have to give the
Put us your
backstory.
tag first.
I have.
Oh.
So give the backstory.
No, I haven't gone 2 years. No, I've never gone 2 years.
So why you ever choose whoever something?
Because they're alone to feel curious, like something happening and I need to know more. So I have to say.
So never
Why
have
you? No, why you? Why you do the same?
me just inquisitive. I just understand.
See, but you everybody thinks.
Not everybody, but me just like me very inquisitive. Not me like to know. Yeah. Me head look biggie.
I'm a bushy body.
Alright.
Yes.
Next one. Never have I ever tried marijuana.
never smoke it, guys.
Never. You smoke cigarette already?
No. Like, I don't think me can even do it. Like, I don't mind think that, so. I couldn't do it.
Never have I ever went on a solo vacation or date, just go out by myself.
You got KC enough time.
Just sit down and eat.
Sit down and eat, me. Me love KC, you see, big deal, barbecue. So we just go out and just eat myself and just, nobody bother me. I understand? Nobody make me nothing like that, so I'm going to KC, nobody
I
make me.
want to run it down.
No.
No, sir.
I tell them.
I have, but I never no big deal. Like, I want something to eat, me I go eat it. I feel like I want to go somewhere and nobody now come. You know, go come meet me.
Never ever have I approached a person.
Never have I ever.
Never have I ever approached a person who I like or I admire and basically express to them what I
Oh, yeah, got some. Oh, yeah, got some.
feel. Never have I
No,
ever.
yeah. Mommy?
Hmm? Yeah. I got it.
Yeah.
Alright. Never. No, your turn.
Never have I ever worn the same underwear.
Why you walk immerse my camera?
But you don't know what I'm gonna say.
Alright, ask.
Never have I ever worn the same underwear for a week straight.
Hell no. Who would do that?
Me hear people say like then turn it on the wrong side.
No, that's low-key nasty. That's no.
Me not judge you no. But
No,
me
me
not
I
do
judge you.
it.
Take it off
Me
and
not
wash
do it.
it.
Me not.
And put nice and use the iron and
Suppose rain
press
and fall and
it.
then
Use the iron and press it,
dry.
let it steam out and nasty.
But then not.
No, that me not.
Then turn it on the wrong side.
One buy a pampas. That can't hurt me.
Then I have money to buy Pampers. If I want baggy then I go the wrong find money to buy Pampers.
Earlier we're none, but I'm not doing that. That's nasty.
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
You smell them?
Never ever have I
Never have I ever.
lift my tail in a car.
Huh?
Come
You do that all the while, so no bother with it. Come.
Fart in a car.
Come.
Not taxi.
Come. Put up in something.
Me not like partner. My partner was already. Come, babe, thank you.
Me not shame. I have. Everybody eats them. Everybody eats them, buddy.
Nasty.
Let fart be free for I killed Mary Lee.
Alright. Your time.
Scroll up that. Let me see if nothing they don't want to ask. Never have I ever got stopped by airport security and searched. I have. Never have I ever made up a story about someone that wasn't real. Why? I have. Me used to tell, well, I did something innocent though. Me used to tell people say my mother and my sister. Cause she young.
Never have I ever pretended I didn't hear you. When I pretend to hear you.
All the while.
All the
If me
way.
know why, if me know why you, if me know, if me feel like me vex, or if me not know want to do whatever you tell me to do.
Alright. It's okay. Never have I ever lied about being sick because I want to like avoid doing something with you or spending time with you.
You're never turn around.
That's all I need to do. Alright.
Never.
Alright. Never have I ever fought in bed and behave as if I didn't do it.
Regular you do it.
Regular
Regular you do it and say, you know what he do? Let me tell you no since you want to tell like what he does, he say He turned around to me. You poop! No! And then he start run up and down. And not talk, say I even do it.
No, sometimes I think just you know that should hear. But as I shut it, you wake.
Come in and sleep dead. And then the murderers cook the way you ever wake up anybody.
Okay. Never have I ever stayed in bed long because I don't want to prepare breakfast.
That's not fear. That, no, you do it.
You can't,
You do
babe,
it.
answer no. You can't even answer your way. She lie.
Since I lie, we are telling you.
No, I'm not gonna lie. I've never.
lie.
No, babe, I've never stayed in bed because I don't want to do breakfast.
Why you staying there?
I'm tired, but me never share my breakfast. So you stay in bed long, we can't have breakfast.
No, we just not gonna do it.
Alright, confession is good for the soul, so now I know. Alright, yeah, go
If
ahead.
me don't want to do it, me just not gonna do it. Me not gonna
Stop
stay.
pacify the thing,
No,
babe. You
I
don't
never
answer it.
because
You
I
don't
never
answer.
because if me don't want to do it, me just not gonna do it.
You don't answer.
Me not gonna stay in my bed extra long just because me don't want to do it. So never. Never have I ever tried on the other person's clothes for fun. Don't do that. Come. Don't tell a lie here.
The only thing about that was the shoes. It was just the shoes.
Not a win.
The iron shoes.
No.
What is it with that, babe? What is no, that bullshit. Are you sure that I'm with that? You welcome.
But that's what I have.
But your shoes alone.
No.
Guys, what is it with that? You know, put it on with
You
the
put
receipt.
on, you know, you put
Babe.
you put on.
Next, move on.
And then,
Our shoes.
no, you
Move
put
on.
on, you
Next.
put on something else.
Next.
Your time.
Never have I ever get you my cook, put those in nicely.
Never have I ever eaten something for you and help you look feed or say me never see it.
You do that.
No. When?
You know that sound like how you did.
No, you always are teaching something them out of your fridge.
But me what doesn't mean to see. That doesn't mean you ask me to tell me.
Alright, never have I ever stolen the other person's food out of the fridge.
Our food.
No.
I have. But it's not. I know your food. Our food. So what your card, babe?
Never have I ever done something just to see if you would get jealous.
In the beginning, I think.
So put up I have. Don't tell no lie.
At the beginning, I'm not trying to test the water to see if you're interested in it.
What you do?
Like, you know, you think me and certain people did like this and we weren't. Which I was like beating your presence, like in a sense, if you
Yeah.
haven't noticed. Just
Oh.
close up with them or whatever, just to see if
Before.
you don't react, you know, we are getting more of it.
But me tell you this, I'm not a reaction to nothing. So, I'm probably gonna chat with Ken.
You're scared.
I'm sure I have maybe.
To me,
You're sure? I think so.
you remember what it is.
I think I have, but we can't remember what.
Woman, you're doing anything like me, tell her.
Me know because I said
So, you over there and did because say, oh, bro, you know, like this. Me now wait until you done to tell her. Me tell us bad, I mean, if you tell nobody that. Now I'm feeling
this.
No, I'm done the game.
I don't. Why?
Let's see. You know, outro, done. So that's it for our challenge. Never have I ever So thank you very much for watching. Remember to like the video, tell somebody again about I am ready for love, and drop the comments down below, okay?
We look kinda tired and look lame up in our video because it's after 12 noon. And we're tired. I'm gonna go relax and think.
Yeah, but we're not drop the spirit, you see it? So big up yourself, subscribe to the channel, see you next time.